Hi, good morning. Let us learn action words. I am sitting. Sit, sit. I am singing. Sing, sing. I am bending down. Bend. I am riding a horse. Ride, ride. I am brushing my teeth. Brush, brush. I am teaching. Teach, teach. I am learning. Learn, learn. I am going to school. Go, go. I am driving. Drive, drive. I am praying. Pray, pray. I am bowing down. Bow, bow. We will learn more action words in the next video. Thank you.